Planning tasks for the next week or year can quickly become complex. That's where task scheduling in Fluix makes a difference. It ensures the right tasks reach the right people at exactly the right time. From the admin portal, you can set up workflows and schedule when each task should appear for your team, whether it's for regular inspections, monthly reports, or one-time assignments. Let's walk through how it works. Before you schedule anything, make sure you've published an active workflow under the Workflows tab. Now head over to the Scheduling section and click Schedule Event. From there, choose the workflow you want to use, give the event a clear name, and decide who should receive the task. You can assign it to the entire group or only to selected members. Decide how often the task should repeat, daily, weekly, monthly, or customize it based on your needs. You can also define a due date relative to when the task begins. Once everything looks good, click Save. Fluix tasks will now automatically assign the task on schedule. No manual reminders needed. After saving, your event will appear in the built-in planner, a visual dashboard where you can view all upcoming tasks and their current status at a glance. Need to make changes? You can pause, edit, or reschedule tasks at any time. At the scheduled time, your assigned group can access the scheduled tasks in their Fluix Tasks app right from the homepage or from their assigned section. To monitor task progress and document flow, go to the Activity Status section in the admin portal. You'll get real-time insights into your team's work. For more how-tos and product updates, head to fluix.io/fluix-updates.